51 Virginia. Hey, Fat Cat 51 Virginia saying aloha wave. Fat Cat 51 Virginia. Fat Cat sounding good around Virginia. Hey, Fat Cat 51 Virginia saying good evening to you in that big mobile. Fat Cat 51 Virginia.
No joy on that. I'm going to sit back down. Hello, 51. Hello, 51 Virginia. I'm going to wave your way, man, because I heard you making a whole bunch of noise. Take care, 51 Virginia. Fat Cat with the wave. Aloha.
Hey, Fat Cat, thanks for the comeback. Have a great night out that way. Fat Cat, boy, you got it sounding good in my direction. 51 saying good evening, my friend. Aloha. Take care.
Aloha, Fat Cat right there. Come on. I got the number one contender in Louisiana. Number one contender in Louisiana. Fat Cat is number one contender in Louisiana. Come on down. 3458 top side of Cali with the wave. Hope I can get it back to you. Troublemaker, man. It's rough. All I got is a bunch of bees. And I appreciate that. I appreciate that. You let me know when I was at. Sounded real good around a minute ago. Landon Lincoln, man. Sounding good, my friend. 148, High Desert, right back to you. Break. Hey, right there, right there. 787, Fat Cat says aloha. You ain't got no more. Hey, 527, ain't no doubt, man. I got you 40 over 9. You got conditions. Take care, 148. We're back quiet. Right there, right back, my wife. Get in. Bye, The green light, the green light. Aloha. Sweet killer. DJ Motors, break 'em. Dang it, lost him in the shovel. Hey, we heard you, brother. Come on back with your number. Yeah, something going on with your microphone there, man. I'm catching bits and pieces, man. But anyway, 73s, 148. We're back quiet. Spray and pray here. Hey, Silver Eagle, we'll bump right back to you, 7. We got it all, man. Don't change a thing. That microphone sounds beautiful. 148 with the wave. We are. All right, 7 around Indiana. I tell you what, man, you're sounding beautiful. Big numbers on you, 40 over 9. You got it going on. Hey, 7, 148. We got quiet. High Desert, around the Grand Canyon. We got quiet.
Oh, 148 around the Grand Canyon. 51 Virginia. 148, 51 Virginia.
Hey, 51, good to hear you, Charlie. Ain't no doubt about it, man. Hey, I was just on your channel there checking it out, man. You got it going on. Hey, 51, right back to you. Come on.
Hey, right back 148. Boy, I got a big old 10-8 copy on you there. It's even there, sounding real good. Hey, 148, we've heard you from time to time, but it's been too rough to get in your radio, but we sure been trying to say hello. 148, you sure sounding good tonight.
All right, 51, ain't no doubt, man. I got you about 40 over 9. Everybody's coming in strong right now. We got snow coming down out here in the High Desert, Charlie, but hey, 51, you're fine on the sand. Now you're on the west side. We back quiet.
Hey, 148, I heard you on the snow. It's supposed to get some rain coming my way, but no snow, I don't think, for a while anyway. So, shoot, it's been a pretty nice day here today. Old sun is shining. Didn't get real warm, but it sure was pretty. 148, take care, my friend. Always a pleasure, and I'll sit back and listen to you and let you talk at DX. 148, have a good evening out there.
Right back to you, 51, ain't no doubt. 148, we back quiet. Well, yeah, but that was where the old conditions go. I heard you in there a minute ago. Right back to you, the KY. I couldn't quite pull your number at 148. We waving. Oh, no, you don't want to wish for stuff like that now.
148, just to let you know, the Watergate is a-rolling, and the old videos are running, so check it out there. You're sure sounding good at it. Catch you later, 51, as you wait.
This ain't 148 now.
Hey, 288, you're sounding good also, my friend. Hey, good evening, 288-51, saying you coming out of Tucson, sounding good as always. Hey, 288, sounds like you got it going on as usual, and I hope the days are going real good out there. 288, always a pleasure, 51, we'll get back out of the way.
164, we heard you too, ain't no doubt, man. It's rough and tough. We did hear you. Hey, 164, have a good evening. 148, Grand Canyon, we back quiet.
I better look in the driveway. I believe 148 snuck up on me.
Ain't no conditions going on now.
288, you got conditions. 51, back out again. Around this love country we gone.
What was that?
It's coffee time in Virginia. 288-51, Virginia, going to the coffee spot.